Hey, everyone! In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to mark a test run as completed. Start by selecting the project you prefer. Next, click on the test run module at the top. You'll notice several test runs. Before updating the status, we need to finish the status with the linked release. To do that, click on Release at the top. Then, when you see Release, click on the edit icon. And click on a checkbox to mark it as complete. And save. After updating the status in the release, go back to the test run. Click on the status drop-down and choose Completed. Here you will find the completed test runs. After that, clear the drop-down and get back to the default view. Click on the edit icon for the test run to change its status. You'll see a checkbox to mark the test run as completed. Simply make that modification and click the Save button. You'll see that your test run status has been updated to completed. That's it. Thank you for watching.